This is Dennis Sullivan. It's still summer here in Texas, and that means our rivers and lakes and waterways are a prime attraction for activity, fun, and other events. Many people enjoy the great Texas waterways through the use of jet skis, fishing boats, ski boats, pontoon boats, and a whole host of other types of watercraft. Getting out on the water gives you the chance to have a great day in the sun with friends and family. While many boaters are safe and courteous, there are some that are not. In 2019, there were 613 boating fatalities across the United States, and the total number of boating accidents increased to 4,168. The total number of injuries increased as well. As you can guess, alcohol remains the leading contributing factor in boating deaths. However, alcohol is not the only disturbing factor that has been found to contribute to these boating accidents. Other factors include operator inattention, improper lookout, operator inexperience, and excessive speed. 79% of fatal boating victims drowned. 86% of these victims were not wearing a life jacket. It is critical for boaters to wear life jackets at all times because it will save your life. When you're operating your watercraft, make sure that you have serviceable, properly sized, and correctly worn life jackets for all of your guests. Make sure that you have taken updated training courses on the safe operation of your watercraft, and that you are trained in the ability to operate the watercraft in the conditions that are present. When operating your watercraft, never operate your watercraft while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If the unthinkable happens and you find yourself involved in a boating accident, you need to consider the following issues. Was the operator under the influence? Was the operator properly trained? Were life jackets provided? Was speed excessive? Was visibility limited? Was the watercraft operated in a reasonable manner? Was the watercraft maintained adequately? These issues and others will play an important role in determining the cause of the accident, as well as determining whether you will be able to recover the damages you have sustained as a result of any personal injuries you may have suffered. If you have been involved in a boating accident, the law which will guide your claims can both be Texas law and maritime law. Even if your accident occurs on water that is located inland and not on the coast, your case will be affected by maritime law. If you have suffered injuries, you need a lawyer who understands and has experience dealing with the special provisions of maritime law. The lawyers at Stepp Sullivan have over 35 years of experience dealing with personal injuries arising from maritime accidents, both inland and offshore. We are more than happy to meet with you in person, observing socially distancing guidelines, but can also meet with you through Zoom or Skype or simply over the telephone. If we can answer any questions you have, or if you need any additional information, we're here for you. We work one-on-one with our clients to focus on the outcome that is most important to you. At Stepp Sullivan, we make it personal, powerful,